Well, hello there. It's the Mobile Home Mama. And I'm so happy to report that today is Friday, for one. And for two, I found these unusual homes. I never seen all this vertical batten on an end wall before. And when I got closer, I saw, we know this house. It's the Thrifty. What a little cutie patootie. And so we've got two right beside each other. And we've got some shake siding all the way at the top, a triangle of shake siding, and then vertical batten. You guys are probably loving my fingers. They're all over this always. It's because I want to be able to point things out to you guys, and that's the easiest way. Maybe I should get a laser pointer. But anyways, 14 by 32, hands down, this is the best price and the lowest price home that we offer. $39,900. And we've seen some variations of this Thrifty over the years. This is the most modern that you're gonna see, the new and approved Thrifty. It's got a little bit of different features on the inside. Let's go around here. So we've got vertical batten going almost all the way up, and then shake siding at the top, trim lineals around the windows, olive on the color. What else do we have going on? We know what that is, right? That's the electrical panel box on the inside. Those are the PVC pipes hanging down so you can feed each line up through. Exterior faucet, you always get one. You can add a second one if you like. Exterior receptacle, same deal there. You always get one. You can add a second one. Sticking with the 6-panel doors, we have recently in the last year or so added a peephole. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, $39,900. When you walk in the door, it's kind of like a studio vibe or a living space, because when you walk in, this is the kitchen and the living room, folks. But for that low of a price, I mean, it's still a great deal. And you could add an island right here to kind of break off the kitchen and to give you some separate space. Whoever ordered this home really put some nice options in here. Let's talk about them. Ceiling fan, colonial cove over the window blinds, nice molded white profile trim. That's a pressed wood with a vinyl wrapping. This tells me there's a nice maker. Overhead refrigerator shelf, cabinet cove, that's that piece of trim up there. Black cabinet handles, staggered cabinets, and gas stove, microwave over the range. Now, dishwasher is not going to be an option in this home because there's not enough space to put one. Now, if you were to stretch this home to a 16 wide by stretching the width of it, you could definitely put a dishwasher in. Here's the newest feature. So let's talk colors. Destin white on the cabinets, and those are actual hardwood doors. If you get close, it looks like puzzle pieces. We know that's hardwood. Glacier quartzite on the countertop with a laminate backsplash, USB outlet. And that tells me we've got a package in this house. All those things I just mentioned are part of the package. So when I turn it around this way, I'm still standing in the kitchen area. But look at this bookshelf they added over there. How cute is that? Hey, I love it. All right, here's the one and only bathroom. We've got pretty basic in here. Tub shower combination, commode, single vanity. Hey folks, it's Friday. I hope everybody's having a rockin' weekend. Not too many beautiful days like this left. And by the way, not too many beautiful days for you to come visit left. I mean, I'm here all year long. Don't get me wrong. You're gonna see me bundled up in the snow also. But it's nice to be able to walk around the lot on these nice, beautiful days. Very short hallway. We talked about the electrical panel being here. 100 is the standard. 200 would be preferable, especially if you're going to run an AC. They've added a water heater door. Many times you guys have seen they just do a panel with a bunch of hex screws. But how nice is it if you got a problem to be able to just get into the water heater? Maybe you don't have a problem. Maybe you want to add a tankless, or you want to switch it up, or you want to put a bigger one in there. This door makes it really easy so you don't got to use screwdriver to get all those hex screws out. Furnace. And here, I really actually like the accent wall in this room. I don't know why. It's nice and bright, but I don't know. I just think it kind of changes things. Like, it's different. I like it. Hardwood cabinets, washer dryer cabinets. By the way, guys, add a shelf or add the cabinets. You want to do something. Otherwise, you got a washer and dryer here. You're putting your soap on your dryer, and then when you're pulling your clothes out of the dryer, you got to move the soap. Because I don't know about you guys, but I'm folding my clothes and putting them on the dryer. So here you have it, the Thrifty, $39.9, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and it's just the cutest little thing. I hope everybody has an awesome weekend. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. You can call me Christina. We'll see you very soon.